In this exercise, we're going to create an interactive thank you note program. The program will ask the user to enter the name of the gift giver, the present they were given, how old the user was on their last birthday, and what their name is, and then it's when you print out a thank you note. So let's get started. We'll call this thanks.py. So the first thing we're going to say is, what is the name of the gift giver? And then we get their name in with raw input. And we'll ask what the present was. And we'll ask them how old they were. Here we need to convert raw input into int, so we use that function first. And then finally we ask, what is your name? So that we can sign the card. We'll call that variable your name. So then the first thing we're going to do is we'll say, and we'll put a blank line, and we'll say, thank you for the present, and then a period and a space. And then we'll say print, I really like it. And we'll say, I can't believe, and then a space and close. And then say print, I am already. Here we're going to convert age to a string, then a space, and say print, but it does not feel much different than being. And then we'll go down to the next line, print string age -1 plus. So then we'll print a blank line, and we'll say print sincerely. Space there doesn't really matter because we're going to drop down a line, put a space, and then say print your name. Okay. We may have to do some adjustments to the output, but the input should be good. So let's save and run the program and see how it looks. So we'll say the gift giver is Aunt Jean. She gave a sweater. Age is 13. Name is Barbara. So that output looks reasonable. We can quibble over how the lines are displayed exactly, but that's beside the point. We could put the 12 up on the previous line or drop being down to the next line, however we want to do that. But we'll leave it like it is, and you can adjust it if you want to. So that wraps up this exercise on using print and raw input, and we're ready to move on to the next chapter where we're going to learn how to make decisions in Python using different variations of the if statement.